you can use Deepseek for hiring. This is how. So the first thing that you should do is you should select on Deepseek R1. Then if you have an assessment like this, paste this prompt. So you see, this is the prompt that I have, and we will have the candidate rated from 1 to 5. And if the candidate has used AI, then the candidate will be rated 0. And also see the responses that we will have, the response that DeepSeek will give me, will have my tonality. It will be written in my writing style. So this is the thing. And now what I'll do is I'll just paste the responses by the candidate. Just a second. Let me find the responses. Here they are. I'm just going to paste it. And you can also do one more thing, that is if you name the candidate. See, I don't want to show expose the candidate who has applied for the job. I will just write the name as name of the applicant or candidate is Shizuka, and then we'll see. So it will take a little time to think, 30 to 40 seconds, which it usually do. And once it's done, we will see how it's going to happen. I'll fast forward here. So have a look. The responses here. Shizuka, this is an email that we can just copy and paste it to the candidate. Paste it and send it to the candidate, whatever that is. Sorry, this is my first time creating a video though. So, okay. The rating of the candidate is 3 out of 5, and you can see the person is a proactive learner, availability. So usually what I do is when a person is a proactive learner, I try to interview them. And once I interview them, analyze their skills a little bit, I hire them. So you also can have a think about it. So we have the entire thing here, and that's it. It's that simple. If you need help in automating this for your company, just text me higher.